VFR change to advisory is approved. Good morning.
Wichita clearance, Skyhawk 121 Golf Bravo, looking for clearance to X-ray November Alpha.
Skyhawk 121 Golf Bravo, Wichita State request?
Looking for clearance to X-ray November Alpha, 1 Golf Bravo.
Skyhawk 1 Golf Bravo, clearance on request. You said you filed an IFR?
Negative, just going VFR.
One Golf Bravo, you said X-ray November Alpha, correct?
Affirmative.
Skyhawk 1 Golf Bravo, maintain VFR below 3000, departure frequency 134.85, squawk 2136.
Alright, maintain VFR at below 3000, departure on 134.85, squawk 2136, and we have Golf 1 Golf Bravo.
Skyhawk 1 Golf Bravo, read back correct, tower for taxi 18.2.
Tower for taxi, good morning.
Skyhawk 121 Golf Bravo, Wichita Tower, runway 1 under left at Alpha 2, taxi via Alpha, Alpha 2.
Alright, 1 under left, Alpha 2, Alpha, Alpha 2, 1 Golf Bravo. Tower Skywest 6283 is ready to taxi with Golf.
Skywest 5355, Wichita Tower, runway 1 under right, taxi via Charlie, Romeo Charlie Delta.
Zephyr Skywest 6283.
5355, change to my frequency 118.2, and just monitor that frequency. And who was calling on 118.2, ready for taxi with Golf?
Skywest 6283.
Skywest 6283, what gate are you on?
Just pushed off at gate 1.
Skywest 6283, runway 1 and a right.
Alright, control surface movements. Correct.
Who was calling there, ready for taxi?
Alright, back drop good.
Hey, sorry about that. King Gary 3 Alpha Papa with Golf, ready to taxi.
Skywest 6283, go ahead.
Alternator check.
Far now, Skywest 6283.
I come up.
Who's calling Wichita Tower other than King Air 3 at Alpha Papa?
Alright, that'll I don't above 5. Also put in our flight plan.
.5355, fly runway heading, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff.
19 right, clear for takeoff, runway heading, 5355. Wichita Tower, Skyhawk 121 Golf Bravo, swimming short, 1 right at altitude, ready for departure. 1 left, sorry.
Skyhawk 121 Golf Bravo, Wichita Tower, fly runway heading, runway 19 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 1 left at altitude, clear for takeoff, 121 Golf Bravo.
And Tower King Gary 3 Alpha boarding short, 1 under left at Alpha, ready for departure.
Alright, there's 19, there's 19, twice. Take off power, center sheet. Get engine, airspeed's alive. There's 60, start to rotate. Pitch Brady.
Skyhawk 121 Golf Bravo, turn left, heading 140, contact departure.
140 to departure, 1 Golf Bravo, see ya. Wichita departure, Skyhawk 121 Golf Bravo, 140 heading 2200, coming 3000.
Skyhawk 121 Golf Bravo, Wichita departure. Good morning, radar contact. Resume navigation, altitudes for XNA.
Resume on navigation, altitude for XNA, 1 Golf Bravo.